What up, y'all? Y'all see I'm in the charger. I'm finna give y'all a little pull right here. Watch this. Oh, shit. Hey, hold on. Turn that off. I know I didn't hold it, but shit, here we go. 20 roll. Damn, we was spinning that whole time. Damn, we was spinning damn near that whole time. That shit is crazy. And this bitch is bad, y'all. Damn. This bitch is crazy, bro. Damn, it smell like rubber. Damn. That shit is crazy. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all that. I'll hit y'all later when I'm back in this bitch. What up, y'all? I'm back in the charger. What's up? Shit, I don't even know where I'm at. Y'all see that my tire light came on because my one tire got low. And it's back to where it's at, but the tire light's still on, so shit. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm gonna have to get that figured out before Friday, because actually, Friday I got somebody coming to look at this thing, so might be the end of the charger content, bro. This shit is sad, bro, because I was driving this motherfucker today and I was like, damn. I done been through some shit with this car, bro. But yeah, nah, I fuck with this. This shit, it's gonna suck getting rid of this. For real, it will. But like I keep telling people, it's on the bigger and better things. I'm not. If you know me personally, you know I'm not gonna stay carless for a long time. I'm gonna have some shit, bro. So whether that's, you know, in the springtime, whether that's like shit in a few weeks, you know what I mean, something gonna come eventually. And you know, I was thinking about that. I might get some while I'm in California. I don't know, but we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. But shit, it felt good to be back in this charger. I was just driving. I ended up somewhere in Michigan. Y'all see? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today was such a beautiful day. Melted all the snow.
In 1.1 miles, take a slight right turn onto US 12 east towards Sturgis.
Damn, I got a notification. Damn, I need to chill out before I get pulled over. State police? Man, shit, man, oh man, oh man. To Sturgis we go. Man,
take a slight right turn, then keep right onto US 12 east. Keep right onto US 12 east towards Sturgis.
Alright, my boy, alright. Damn, what the fuck? What in this shit happened? Damn, that ain't funny, damn. Oh shit, I hope everybody was alright. It looked like they just went to the ditch, but what the fuck? Damn, I was not expecting that. What the hell? Man, shit, look at the sky, y'all. That shit is so beautiful. That shit is, oh my gosh. See,
in 4 miles, turn right onto Fur Road.
Okay, I got it. Goddamn. But shit, one thing that I can give Indiana over California, well, I don't know if I want to say that, because California is so beautiful, bro. I've been out there a few times, and I don't know, I like the scenery there a lot better than here, but the skies here, some of the skies here are so beautiful, bro. I don't know if that's just me, but I don't know. Personally, I love looking at the sky. I love it, bro. Especially like shit like what I'm doing right now. Like honestly, bro, I have no clue where I was right there. I'm just driving, bro. Just enjoying it. You know, the last little bits I can. Figured I'd give y'all a video. You know what I mean? I got a little ways back home, so shit, y'all. But what y'all been on, man? I leave in less than a week, so Y'all gonna get a few more videos from Charger content, and I think what should I do, y'all? Should I start vlogging? You know what I mean? Should I start vlogging for y'all, or should I like when I get to California, I could vlog the trip, the whole thing, or should I don't know, cause I'm really into the gym too, so I could make some gym shit as well. You know what I mean? Like I could make this a gym and a car channel or some shit. But I don't know, y'all. Honestly, I don't know. I wonder. What do y'all think I should do? You know what I mean? So I talk to my friends about this, but I don't know. Like, I'm kind of really the only one actually. I don't know. I don't want to say that, but I don't know. Just actually trying to make shit happen. You know what I mean? And you know you can, cause look at me in my car right now. Like bro. I bought this shit when I was 17, bro. And I'm 18 right now. I'm finna go get some other shit that's bigger than this at 18. I don't know what the next shit is gonna be at, so I don't want to say. But it's gonna, whatever it is, it's gonna be something faster than this, bro. Something you don't see a lot, maybe.
In 2 miles, turn right onto Fur Road.
But shit, man. I don't know. Just enjoying the scenery right now. Just driving, just POV cruise. You feel me? Was not expecting that motherfucker to be off the side of the road. I put the pool in the beginning of the video. Y'all seen, I spun the whole way. I was like, damn! Cause I don't know, bro. I ain't drove this bitch in a minute, so I've been used to the Pontiac's power. And that shit, that Pontiac, I mean, nah, I ain't even gonna say as fast. That motherfucker slow as hell, bro. But I mean, in the Pontiac, I don't really care about that. That's a daily. But, shit, man, I don't even know. I'm gonna get a new daily too. I'm gonna save up in California, probably buy something back down here for whenever I do come back down here, if I can. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what the future holds. I don't know what the next 6 months hold for me. I know I'm gonna work my ass off the first beginning of the year, and then shit, whatever happens there, we're gonna see. Y'all I got a few videos I got to 1,000 views, and I was like, that's crazy for me, considering I'm just starting. I'm almost at 100 subs, so whoever is subbed, I thank y'all for real for subbing, you know what I mean? I'm almost already at 100 subs, you know what I mean? I started this shit like a month ago, and it just, I don't know, like, I get feedback, and I enjoy it too, you know, and I try and work on the shit y'all tell me to, you know what I mean? But, I don't know, y'all. The future's gonna be something for y'all. I hope so. I really do. I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope I can bring some shit to y'all. You know what I mean? Hopefully we can get bigger as a community. I don't even know what I want to call y'all. You know what I mean?
Turn right.
But shit, y'all. I don't even know. Just hit me with some stuff in the comments. You know what I mean? Like some YouTube advice or what I should do. Damn.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Redfield Street.
Alright, y'all. That was basically me rambling on this video. Next video, I'm gonna probably do some more pulls for y'all, cause y'all did really like that. So I'm gonna probably do some more in the next one. But y'all see the sky. Y'all see the sky. That shit is beautiful. Damn, what the fuck? Y'all see the sky. That shit is beautiful, bro. But alright, y'all, that's probably gonna be the end of this one. I appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far. Subscribe, and let's get me to 100 subscribers. If we, shit, man.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
If I can get to 100 subscribers, bro, I don't even know. I'm gonna try and give. I might give y'all a POV drive in my mom's Benz. Nah, they ain't gonna let me drive that. I don't know. I'm gonna try and give y'all a POV or something if I can. If y'all get me to 100 subs, I'm gonna try and get something for y'all. But all right, I'm rambling on. I appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far for real. But I will catch y'all in the next one. Thank you again if you made it this far.